Ever feel like you spend hours trying to create one short video for TikTok or Instagram? You know the drill, writing scripts, hunting for stock footage, the endless editing. It's a huge time sink. But what if an AI could do all the heavy lifting for you in minutes? Meet the Affogato Agent. It's a powerful AI that takes your product or idea and turns it into a ready-to-post social video. No actors, no cameras, no complex editing software needed. Let me show you how it works. The UI is super clean. All you do is upload your product image. I'm using a fictional coffee brand I created for this demo, and then give the AI a simple prompt. I'll type, create a TikTok video. Keep the style energetic, focusing on Gen Z. That's it. The Affogato Agent gets to work. Right away, it generates the key shots, lays them out on a timeline, writes a voiceover script to match, and even picks out some background music, all in a single click. But here's where it gets really cool. You have complete creative control. This isn't a locked box. Let's say I'm not sold on one of these shots. Just hover over it and hit edit. Now I've got a bunch of options. I can rewrite the prompt to generate a new image, upload my own, or even tweak specific elements in the current shot. Let me show you. I want to make this shot more dynamic. Let's regenerate this image. I'll prompt, the product is mid-air, falling, with coffee beans in the background. Nice. Now, here's a quick tip. Whenever you change the visual, you'll want to update the video prompt for that shot so the motion matches. I want the product to fall down as the beans float up. I'll type, the product falls down, the coffee beans bounce up. And it's not just the visuals, you can edit the voiceover text. Choose from a ton of different AI voices. As a character, there's a lip sync toggle. Flip it on, and the character will actually speak the lines. Leave it off, and it plays as a classic voiceover. You can also add entirely new shots to the sequence, and you can even adjust the timing of each one. Just drag to extend or shorten a shot's duration to get the pacing just right. I'm pretty happy with this now. Let's generate the final video.
Yo, check this out. Morning roast. It hits different. I can't imagine my mornings without this. Just one scoop and I'm like, let's go. Smells insane. Like, who needs a snooze button? First sip? Instant mood boost. My whole vibe changes. You want to wake up happy? Grab morning roast. Seriously, my crew's obsessed too. It's that good.
And there you have it. A professional looking video ready for socials in just a fraction of the time. This is a game changer for creating content quickly. Want to try it for yourself? Check out the Affogato Agent at the link in the description. Happy creating!